Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is an unboxing on the TokyoTreat from Japan. This is obviously the December one. The box is wet because that's because it was delivered. It was raining outside pretty much. But it looks like it didn't go through because this is a little magazine they give you with the what everything is, have the information and all that crap. Okay. This is a Japan one. Past ones I've done were mostly Korean. Let's see. Here's strawberry cake something. This is Kit Kats that are marshmallow, like a burnt marshmallow and chocolate. Okay, more Kit Kats. Milk tea Kit Kats. Nice. Yeah, here I only see the regular Kit Kats. Maybe some little bit of variation, but not that much. Okay. This is white chocolate waffle thing, Belgian waffle. Chocolate Belgian waffle. This cookie cone, ice cream cone thingies. Sure, all the info is in here. I don't want to read it out. Let's see. Let us see. Oh yeah, here's the Kit Kat milk tea. This is the one I just put. Well, if I don't know what anything is, I'll just. This is caramel pokey sticks. This is chocolate, but it kind of has a picture of caramel. Thanks. Cheese in snacks. Cheese and snacks. That one's tiny. I'll bite. This is potato snacks. It's like potato chip thingies right here. It's they were popular demand. These are like having a light bag of French fries. Okay, French fries. There's a big one. A little bit crushed, but I had to fit everything in here. It's fine. Santa Claus themed. It is. What is it? Let me see. What is this? Yeah. Wait. Corn something. Oh, it's like the finger thingies. It's just you're supposed to put them in your fingers and play around. Like if you're a kid, I was thinking. Okay, this is traditional Japanese snack. It's said to be one of the Rudolph's favorite treat or whatever. It's light, airy, soaked in delicious coat of brown sugar. Oh, it's like a little cookie thing. This is some star thingies. These are shaped like tiny Christmas tree toppers. These cute stars have a light corn flavor. Just chips, corn. This is a little candy, and like marshmallowy. It's soft. It's some hard candy. Ooh, little chips. Like Pringles and the other kind. This one right here. Bite-sized, crispy, and full of savory seaweed. Oh, seaweed. I don't know about seaweed, but this is little bears. These are tiny chocolate-covered treats. Are light, delicious, and perfect for sharing. Whatever. Extra. This is the drink, royal milk tea. Here, royal milk tea. Sugar, super popular in Japan. This drink is made with high quality black tea, sugar, and plenty of milk flavor. It has dairy. This is some salmon and spinach flavored ramen, I guess. Let me see what it says. Yeah, it's salmon and Salmon and spinach cream pasta. Yeah, it's a little more creamy. I don't know about that one. Okay, yeah, everything looks good. This is a December edition. Nice. Got to me. I ordered like December 2nd or something like that, and got to me a couple days ago. So not bad. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your TokyoTreat box if you buy one too.